Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and also comment down below what do you think of today's topic. So guys, in today's video, AKA's killers have been allegedly found, guys. So apparently they were found hiding in Eswatini, and apparently, allegedly, the police have been tracking them for like 2 weeks now. So they've been finally found, and then they are working on bringing them to South Africa. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. I just hope they are not giving us false hope, because the South African justice system is just something else, it is just something else, and I don't even know how they did it, but I'm glad that at least there's progress. And I feel like people have just forgotten about AKA, because it's not even trending on Twitter, it's not even trending on Facebook. I really don't know, hey? I really don't know. But yes guys, allegedly the murderers have been found, and I hope it is them, so that they can just investigate this thing and then they can just go to jail. The family needs closure, guys. The family needs closure, and they also need to move on with their lives. So I really hope this is it. This is finally it. When they come to South Africa, they're just going to get full proof, that it's them. But yeah guys, that's it. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Please comment down below, guys. Do you guys think vele this is it, or it's just another trick nje? Phela we're close to voting now, so you never know, hey? You just never know. There are many tricks that they will try to play with our minds. I don't want to mention names, but you know who. So I hope this is real. I hope this is true, and I hope they can finally rot in jail for what they did, because I honestly feel like this was planned. This was just not an accident. This was definitely planned, guys. Please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on my next one.